Good afternoon, guys. So today I'm going to explain the app that I've chose, which is Windy, and I'm going to explain their advantages and disadvantages. So yeah. So the first app that I've chose was Windy, and yung key features niya is to access various mod various weather models, including the European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecast. So, hindi pa siya pang Pilipinas, and napili ko siya for idea lang, and ayan, it is considered the most accurate customizable overlays, wind temperature, precipitation, cloud cover, and air pressure real-time weather. Comes for visual observation of current conditions, ability to save favorite locations, and set up alerts for specific weather conditions. So, yun yung key features niya. And then, ang advantage naman ng app na yun is that it has comprehensive weather information and visualization. It is excellent for planning hunts based in wind direction and temperature, tsaka other weather factors. Real-time weather cams offer valuable insights into current condition. Tas, ang disadvantage naman nun is that free version nun, may limitado siyang free version, which is 5 days lang yung forecast niya and 3-hour blocks. Tas yung pro version naman niya, expensive din daw. So, nagkakalagang $29.99 per year. And overall, if you're going to prioritize accuracy and a wide range weather information, Windy is an excellent choice. However, be prepared to invest in the pro version for the best experience. So, ayun guys, yun yung magandang sa kanya. And idea lang din sa app na possibly na gawin namin. So, yun.